If the results you're getting from AI suck, it's because you're trying to use ChatGPT for everything. The best AI users don't use one model for every task. They use Claude for coding, Gemini for research and images, ChatGPT for writing, and Grok for social content. The problem is paying for all those premium models separately gets expensive fast, and the free versions give you limited models that aren't as smart. So let me show you how to get access to 4 premium AI models from one dashboard for just $20 a month. So to get started, just click the link below and go to AI Access. And there's actually 2 plans. There is the All Access Pack, which gives you access to the best ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, and Grok models in one place for only $20 a month. And this is what I recommend for most people. And they have the Privacy Plus package here, which also gives you access to a privately hosted LLM that doesn't share any information with the LLMs directly, with these major model providers directly, because it's privately hosted and they encrypt the data. And they also have some features to redact sensitive information before you send it to the LLMs. So this is only if you deal with very specific kinds of clients or information and you really need that privacy layer. So for most people, this is what you're going to want to choose. And I'll briefly talk about the Privacy Plus plan as well later in the video. So just hit choose plan and just complete the checkout. So after you complete the checkout, you're going to get an email with your access information, and then you'll easily be able to log into your dashboard. From your dashboard, just hit AI agents and then just hit sign in. Now, if it's your first time signing in, it's going to ask you for your email address, and it's just going to send you a one-time password so that you can sign in. So once you've signed in, you'll notice this button right here. And when you click on it, you'll see that you have access to all of the best models. So we're talking about ChatGPT 5.5, Gemini 3.1 Pro, even Claude Opus, and Grok 4.3. So these are the top of the line models right now. And you can see it even has access to some other quick response models right here you can use. So you have a ton of options. And if you want, you can actually use auto route and the system will decide for you based on your prompt. But I personally just like picking the models. And once you learn what each model does and what it excels at, then you'll want to do that too. So to demonstrate what I mean, let's first use ChatGPT, which is good at general writing and reasoning in general. And let's ask it to write us a lead magnet. So we could say something like, create a simple lead magnet idea for a solo consultant who helps business owners automate their admin work. And we just need to choose the model. So we'll pick ChatGPT 5.5 here, and we just need to hit the arrow. And just like that, you can see it's giving me the lead magnet idea instantly. Now, of course, we could have given it way more information about our business and a way more detailed prompt, and it would have had a much better output that's more tailored to our business. But I wanted to give you this quick example. But I just want to show you how this works pretty much the same as how you use ChatGPT now. You just type in the box and it gives you the response. But now let's say you wanted to actually code something. Well, then you're going to want to use Claude, which is exceptional at coding. And so you could say something like, create a simple HTML landing page for a free automation checklist. Keep the code simple and self-contained in one HTML file. Then you just hit go, and you can see Claude firing up here, and it's already writing the code. And you can see it's super fast because we're also using the most advanced models. So you can see it working away, and in a matter of seconds, we have the entire code done for us. Just copy that. You could put that into if you want to preview it, just throw that into a code editor, example, HTML. And then we open it and boom, just like that. Pretty impressive for a single prompt with no information, no customization, nothing, right? And again, you would give it way more instructions about your colors and your brands and what exactly you want. The more information you give it, and it would just code that for you. So that covers writing and coding, but what if you want to get some research done and you want to look into a specific topic? Well, Gemini is what you want to use for that, because of course, Gemini is by Google and it has access to all of Google's information. So say you wanted to research 3 practical ways small business owners are using AI in 2026. Again, you're going to have a way more specific prompt than this. I'm giving simple examples here, but you can see it's firing up its process here. You can see what it's doing. You can see it's searching the web, and you can see how it's thinking about this. And just like that, it's done its research. You can see all of the articles it's read already. You can see all its sources it's gone across. and looked at about 20 different sources to give you this answer. And so you can see, boom, just like that, it's producing the report we asked for or the summary we asked for. So for research tasks, Gemini is really, really good. And another thing Gemini really excels at is image generation, because it has Nano Banana, one of the most popular AI models that's exceptional. So you could say something like, create a clean modern hero image for a blog post about AI tools for small business owners. Again, you could make it about anything like dogs in space or whatever you want. And you just hit go. You don't have to tell it what model to use, how to do it, nothing like that. You're just saying, hey, make me this image, and it automatically will start using Nano Banana Pro. And so you can see it's starting to generate the image. And one thing that's great about Gemini here is it generates images very quickly. It used to take several minutes to generate images prior to this, and now it can just generate something in seconds. And again, you could tell it, hey, make it like this, make it like that, anything you want, and it'll make an image for absolutely any topic you want. Now let's move on to social media, and that's where our friend Grok comes in, because let me put it this way, Grok's the LLM that has the most, let's say, personality. It's just a little bit, people like to say, a little bit spicier than the other ones, right? It can be a little bit more edgy and opinionated, and that can really do well for social media. So let's choose Grok 4.3, again, the best model, and say, write 3 punchy X posts about why small business owners should stop doing repetitive work and manually and blah, blah, make it direct, practical, opinionated. You see my prompt here, and then hit go. Again, more information, the better. I'm giving a simple prompt here, but let's just see what Grok kind of spits out here. Your time is worth more than just $15 an hour, right? And so it is being a little bit edgy, right? Manual admin isn't noble, it's expensive. So it's got some thought-provoking opinions here, and I like that. So just like that, you can get Grok to write social media for pretty much anything you want. And what's great about this is, though, you don't have to just get one model to do the job. In fact, I would recommend that you test the same prompt in multiple models, because maybe things are different for your industry. Maybe you prefer the way one of them writes over the other. Maybe you want a certain style. So for example, we could just give that same prompt to ChatGPT, and you can see what it came up with. And then you can just hop over to your Grok prompt here, because actually on the left-hand side here, you see all of your previous chats with all your LLMs. So you can quickly just look here and say, did I like what ChatGPT did? Or did I look like what Grok did? Or if you could say, hey, you know what? Let's also get Gemini to take a stab at this. And so just like that, we queue it up, and it's going to try and write that out as well. And you can just see the way they think. They just work differently. And so if you thought all these LLMs are interchangeable, they are not. So you can see it's very different, the outputs you get. So along with all the models you get access to here, Bluehost also gives you what it calls agents. And what these are basically custom trained AI agents or LLMs that can do specific tasks for you, and they've already tuned them to be able to be great at doing specific things. So you can see there are 3 of them right here. There's a research agent, a writer, and a presentation builder. So let's use the research agent here, and you can see there's actually a short and a detailed report. And so you can get this agent's help to research any topic that you want. So for example, maybe you want help with finding the best free video editing software for beginners. So you could just hit go, and it's going to start working on that research. And of course, you could do something much more complex than this and give it all the parameters and the things that you need help researching and everything you're considering, and so on and so forth. And then it's going to go off and start running this research for you. And you can see all the sources that it's reading through, and you can see it came back with the research really quickly, and it's giving us a recommendation here, right? And so, okay. And so we see that we should be trying this DaVinci Resolve, and well, what are the other options? And you can see it's going to start continuing here onward, iMovie, and so on and so forth, right? And so you can see we could have just got research help with anything we wanted. Now let's hop back to agents and try one of the other ones, like the article writer. So let's say we wanted to help us with this blog post about entrepreneurs starting a new business and what are the mistakes they make. So again, you can give a much more detailed prompt, as I've been saying, but you'll see that it's going to go start researching the topic so it can understand this topic better. It's not just going off of, just random stuff. It's reading articles and sources to really understand this topic, to give you a really great response that's informed. And so you can see it's work on keywords keywords, titles, outlines, all of this stuff for you. And in a few minutes, it's going to start drafting this post for us. And if you're wondering which model that these agents use, it's actually Bluehost's own custom AI model called Bluehost GPT. And that's what it's using on the back end. And so you can see it's starting to write the post, and we could of course go through it, but so overall it makes sense. You can see that there's 5 mistakes like we asked for. And lastly, we have the AI presentation builder, and here you'll obviously want to give it a lot of information to make a presentation. So this is really great if you already have like a write-up on something and you just want to make a presentation out of it. Like, let me do that right now. But of course, if you don't, you could also just write out the points yourself, or even just get the AI to help you write the points and then give it to it to make a presentation. But here is some of my thinking to make into a presentation. Again, the more information you give it, the better. So let's just say you have a sales process that you want to make into a presentation, or you have a pitch you want to do. Just write it out and then give it to the AI agent here, and it will make a presentation for you in a few minutes. And so our presentation is now ready, and let's open it. And you can see this is actually a full PowerPoint presentation. It's not some PDF file. You can actually click and edit things and customize the presentation, which of course you should, but this has already done 70-80% of the work for you, and it looks like a real presentation. And what's cool is you can also make your own agents. In other words, you can train your own LLMs, and this is really useful if you want to get more tailored responses for your business. And you can think of this kind of like ChatGPT folders and Claude folders and custom instructions if you've ever used those. And so this really has similar functionality to that. So just go to create new, and here you can make your agent. So let's say this is a sales support agent. Let's say I want to make a sales agent to help me respond to my inquiries. And so here you can add as much instructions as you want for what you want it to do, like rules and guardrails and example responses and all of that. So I've already written something like that up, and you can see I'm being very detailed here and giving it examples. And again, you can put as little or as much detail as you want, then hit next. And now you can start giving it knowledge, and this is where you train it so that every time it responds, it's always going to have this knowledge for more context. So again, I can drop in some of my documentation here, and so here's another one, and so you can see here are 2 of my documents here, and I can even give it web pages. So let's give it this partnerships page here and this services page, and you could add so many more pages. And then you just hit next, and now you can even kind of configure the way that it speaks. So let's say I want it to be, casual but enthusiastic but semi-formal, and you can do all these customizations here. I'll keep this one off, but let's say I want standard. I do want it to talk in bullet points, and I want it to be like intermediate level. Again, you don't have to use any of these, but you can. So this here is just customizing its style, and then you finish, and then you can just chat with it, and you can get its help with a sales response. So here I would just maybe say, hey, I got this sales inquiry, which is a real sales inquiry, and I would hit go, and then it would come out with a response. And of course, you might need to tweak some things based on the response, but you can see here, it's responding with real information. It's actually gone on my site and pulled up some of the case studies I've had and some of the results there. Now, of course, this is just responding with the little information I gave it, but of course, you'd want to train it with everything you can about your business that's relevant, your pricing, your process, everything, so that it can craft great responses for you. But that's just an example of a custom agent. Now, I also want to show you 2 other features really quickly. If you go over to your admin console and you go to user management, you can actually add additional users in your organization so everyone can get access to all the models without everyone having their own subscriptions. And I also want to briefly touch on the privacy plus mode. So here I am with that plan, and you'll notice here that I have one more model, which is the Bluehost GPT, and it's actually end-to-end encrypted with the data, so it's not actually being shared with any of these, you could say, more prominent public models. And so So this here would be a privately hosted LLM, and all the prompts are actually encrypted, so no one can see what you're typing from what I understand, not even the Bluehost team. That's what I understand. And also, when you actually do use these models, they also have a feature that redacts some of the information. So it has a bunch of different privacy options in incognito mode and privacy mode. So really, this is just for any organization that deals with very sensitive information. And so if that's your organization, for only $5 a month more, that would be really helpful, especially if you have multiple people in your company using LLMs. This way you can ensure that they're not sharing any customer or sensitive information, financial information, and putting that out in the wild. So who does this actually make sense for? Bluehost AI All Access is best for business owners, creators, and teams that want a simple way to access multiple premium AI models from one dashboard. If you're switching between different AI tools or trying to figure out whether ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, or Grok gives you the best answer, this gives you one place to test them side by side and use the right model for the job. It also makes sense for teams that want one shared AI workspace instead of everyone managing separate accounts and subscriptions. But this is not a full replacement for the native apps. If you rely heavily on ChatGPT projects, Claude projects, custom GPTs, memory, or advanced workflows, you'll probably still want to use those tools directly. So the simple way to think about it is this: Bluehost AI All Access is for people who want easier access to multiple premium models in one place, not people who need every advanced feature from one specific AI app. So if you want to check it out, I'll leave the link below. If you found this helpful, make sure you subscribe for more tools to help you run and grow your business faster. Speaking of which, check out this video YouTube recommended specifically for you. I'll see you in there.